How to use the Consultation Portal. This video explains how to give us your feedback on any local consultations, such as the draft local plan or neighbourhood plans. To access any planning policy consultations, you will need to go to consult.wealden.gov.uk/KSE. This will take you to a homepage that looks like this, where you can scroll through all of the current and previous planning policy consultations. To log into an existing account or create a new account, you will need to click on this symbol in the top right of the screen. If you already have an account, you can log in by typing your username and password here. If you need to create an account, you will need to click the word Register on this page and then fill out a few basic details. Once you have done this, you'll be taken back to the homepage, where you can now select the consultation that you wish to give feedback on. Please be aware that you will only be able to give feedback where an Add Comment button appears. If you haven't logged in, you can still give your feedback by clicking this button. You will need to confirm your details, or if this is your first time, provide a few details. This is because we can't accept anonymous responses. Sections you have already filled in will have a tick in. At each section, after clicking Submit, you will be able to select either Submit Now or Add More Comments. Submit Now means that your whole response for that section will be submitted. Once submitted, you will not be able to edit this section. And clicking Add More Comments will allow you to continue editing your feedback for this section. If you get interrupted or are not ready to submit your response, you can save it as a draft. This means you can come back to it later. If you have a long response, you may find it helpful to type it up in a separate document before copying and pasting it into the consultation. There is no limit to the length of your response, and towards the end, you'll be able to upload documents, images, and files to support your feedback. It is important to remember that all responses are public, so please don't include any personal information, such as name or contact details in your comments. If you have any queries, please email us at planningpolicy@wealden.gov.uk, or alternatively, you can phone us on 01892 602 008.